What to know before listing your house with a realtor. To rent your house with an agent, it's crucial to find the right one. Look for someone experienced and knowledgeable in the Florida rental market. Consider using Ask Realty Pros. Their landlord listing service offers a 1-month listing service at a cost that the tenant pays for. In markets like Boynton Beach, tenants usually pay the broker fee, which can be split between the listing broker and the tenant's agent. Alternatively, the landlord may cover the broker's fee, typically equivalent to the first month's rent deposit. Typically, annual contracts will require those 3 payments be paid upfront: first, last month's, and the security deposit before the tenant occupies the property. Once you know how this all works, choose an agent with agreed upon commission upfront in a listing agreement. This ensures that exclusivity in listing the property is taken care of to the fullest. Make sure your listing stands out. Consider your agent and his photography skills and whether or not he hires a photographer to do a virtual walkthrough. Make sure you declutter the property and prepare the house for showings. Things like minor repairs or items like major renovations are usually recommended before you put it on the market. In Florida, Ask Realty Pro offers a range of services including landlord listing assistance and for sale by owner listing services. For more